Job application. Krishna, I have served these masters. I have been a faithful servant, but I have served the wrong masters. Now, please, I want to become your servant. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. In this way, we are succumbing to this control of these bosses. So therefore, the only way is to surrender to Krishna. Kamadinam katina katidha palita durnideshas tesham jata mayina karuna natrapanopasanti utsrujjaitanatha yadupate sampratam labdha buddhis tvamayatah sharanam abhayam mam niyungshvatmadasye. O my Lord, there is no limit to the unwanted orders of lusty desires. Our prayer should be like this. Krishna, so I have served these bosses of Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya, the board of directors of this material world, and I have been a faithful servant of these bosses. Although I have rendered these desires so much service, they have not shown any mercy to me. They have not paid me. I have not been ashamed to serve them, nor have I even desired to give them up. I have not stopped serving them, even though they are not paying me. I am such a useless servant. Or maybe I am very faithful servant, but I have been a faithful servant of the wrong masters. I was not even ashamed, and nor did I desire to give them up. O my Lord, O head of the Yadu dynasty, recently, however, my intelligence has been awakened. Now my intelligence is, taking shape. How it is awakened? How intelligence is awakened? Only by spiritual knowledge. Otherwise, intelligence is under the control of the mind. It is asleep, completely in slumber. So it is awakened by transcendental knowledge. That transcendental knowledge is given by Guru. Jnana Deepa Prade Gurao. Jnana Deepa Prade Gurao. Chakshudam Diloje Janme Janme Prabhushe. Divya Gyan Hriday Prakashito. Divya Gyan. So that is given by Guru. So after taking shelter of Guru and receiving knowledge, now I am giving them up. This Kama Krodha. Due to transcendental intelligence, I now refuse to obey the unwanted orders of these desires. That's why Buddhi, Bhagavad Gita, Krishna said what? Durena hi avaram karma, Buddhi yoga dhananjaya. 2nd chapter, 49th verse. By Buddhi yoga, which is Krishna consciousness, Buddhi, why it is called Buddhi yoga is Krishna consciousness? Because Buddhi can be surcharged with transcendental knowledge. And such transcendental knowledge will help us. Durena. Dura means far. Durena hi avaram karma. Throw these sinful activities far distant. How? Buddhi yoga. By Buddhi yoga, devotional service. Buddhau sharanaman vichha, and surrender to the Lord with intelligence. Kripana phala hetavaha. The misers, the sense gratifiers, they want to enjoy the fruits of their action, but we should not. So the same thing here. He got buddhi. So now I am refusing to obey the unwanted orders of these desires. And I now come to you to surrender myself at your fearless lotus feet. Kindly engage me in your personal service and saving. So, job application. Krishna, I have served these masters. I have been a faithful servant, but I have served the wrong masters. Now please, I want to become your servant. My resume is very bad. Only one thing good, that I have been a faithful servant. So, please accept me as your faithful servant. So, this is our prayer. Should be our prayer. And this is not just to, learn one sloka and then fine. It is nice to hear. No. This should be our prayer constantly. Constantly we are attacked by Maya.